How to install UnitedHealthcare app. So just tap get and then double click to install and you should be able to install it. So here you have it. Easily access your health information. Search for urgent care anytime, anywhere. Find a healthcare provider that fits your needs. Save money by using in-network providers. Access your ID card on the go. It's easy to make the most of your United Healthcare benefits and access care on the go with the United Healthcare app. Just sign in or create an account for secure, convenient access to your health plan. Check your benefits, see what your plan covers, including copays and out-of-pocket expenses. Track your deductible and out-of-pocket max. Follow new claims from start to finish and review old claims too. Check your health reimbursement, flexible spending, find and price care, search doctor specialists, access virtual primary care, create favorites for PCP providers. So yeah, all kind of things. And then you can just open it up. And then yeah, you can just create an account if you wanna. You can select your medical plan here. Either plan sponsored by an employer, Medicare plans and group retiree plans, individual and family plans, Medicaid and dual special need plans. So yeah, you can do that. There is app support, which you can reach out. There are all the phone numbers which you can check out, or you can just sign in from here. So it's quite convenient, to have everything in your app. You don't need to go to the website. It's just, a bit faster in the app. This app has over 200,000 ratings. So yeah, try it out.